We need screws. We cannot screw with no screws. We need to go get the screws. The screws they lost. Need to find the screws. We take the jeep and we go to the barn. The jeep to the barn. The mud is deep. Very deep mud. We now arrive at the barn and we find the screws. Let's go find the screws. And we have the copyright law breaking going on, so we must turn off the stereo. Oh yeah, the screws. We need the screws. The screws, they not on the shelf, but they right here. We find these screws. Okay, so we found these screws. The screws, they right here. We have these screws. And we have the mini bike for the GT. Okay, we take the screws. I don't remember what we need to screw. Okay. The screws, they are found. We are going to do some screwing now. Okay, the final screwing. Maybe not.